Hey there, welcome to this video on 5 easy exercises to do at home for beginners. It's great to see that you're taking the first steps towards a healthier lifestyle. Whether you're looking to build strength, increase flexibility, or just get moving, these simple exercises will help you achieve your fitness goals. Exercise 1. Body weight squats. The first exercise is body weight squats. This exercise targets your legs, glutes, and core. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart and keeping your back straight. Then lower your hips down as if you're sitting into a chair. And then rise back up to the starting position. Repeat for 10 to 12 repetitions. Exercise 2. Push-ups. The second exercise is push-ups. This exercise targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Begin in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body down towards the ground by bending your elbows, keeping your body straight. Push back up to the starting position. Repeat for 10 to 12 repetitions. Exercise 3. Lunges. The third exercise is lunges. This exercise targets your legs, glutes, and core. Start by stepping forward with one foot and lowering your back knee down towards the ground, keeping your front knee directly above your ankle. Push back up to the starting position and repeat on the other leg. Repeat for 10 to 12 repetitions. Exercise 4. Plank. The fourth exercise is the plank. This exercise targets your core, shoulders, and back muscles. Begin in a push-up position, but instead of lowering down, hold your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core muscles and hold this position for as long as you can, aiming for 30 to 60 seconds. Exercise 5. Jumping jacks. The fifth and final exercise is jumping jacks. This exercise gets your heart rate up and works your entire body. Start with your feet together and arms by your sides. Jump your feet apart while simultaneously raising your arms overhead. Then jump back to the starting position. Repeat for 10 to 12 repetitions. Congratulations, you made it through the 5 easy exercises for beginners. These exercises can be done at home without any equipment and are perfect for anyone looking to get started on their fitness journey. Remember to always listen to your body and rest when you need to. With consistency and dedication, you'll be on your way to a stronger, healthier you in no time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fitness tips and exercises.